So question number 1, write the following in exponential form. Okay, that means you can also say this is the compressed form. Okay, in short form, how we can represent it, because sometimes what happens, the number is very big and you have to write it in a compressed form. That means in short form, in exponential form, we can represent the number very easily. Okay, so that we can also remember it. Okay, for remembering also this will be very easy way. Okay, so number A is square of 3. That means you have to write the power of 3 as 2. The meaning of square is what? 2. You have to multiply it 2 times. That means the number 3 you have to multiply it 2 times. So 3 to the power 2 will be the answer. Next, number D, product of 2 cubed and 3 squared, means you have to multiply 2 cubed and 3 squared. So the meaning of 2 cubed is 2 multiply 3 times. Okay, 2, we have to multiply 2 how many times? 3 times. Here we have to multiply 3 2 times. So 2 cube into 3 square. Okay, this is the answer. 2 cube into 3 square. Next, number F. F raised to 45. Sorry, 4 raised to 45. So 4 to the power what? To the power of 45. So 4 is in base and 45 is in power. Okay. So next come to question number 2. Here you have to find the value of the following. So I am doing first of all number C. See here, minus 3 whole to the power cube is given. See here, base is negative and the power is odd. Okay. So first of all we will multiply minus 3 how many times? 3 times. So first of all, see here you have to check the two things. First is symbol, second is the value. That is the important thing. Okay. First one is the symbol and second is the value. So symbol, you have to check first of all the symbol. Minus will be plus, plus minus will be minus. Okay. You have to do like this, minus. The answer is plus. Okay. And that answer, that is plus, you have to multiply with minus. So plus into minus will be minus. So the symbol is minus. Okay. Now symbol part is over. Now you have to find the number. Okay. So how to find the number? You have to multiply only the number. So 3 into 3 into 3. So this is 27. So answer is minus 27. Already we have discussed that if the power is odd and the base is negative, then always we will get the answer as a negative number, and this is a negative rational number. Okay. So let us do the next one. Next is H. 6 cube. So in 6 cube you can do it very easily. This is very simple. 6 into 6 into 6 and 6 when you multiply you will get what? 216. All thing is positive here. Okay, that means the answer will be positive number. See, one more question I am going to discuss here. See, number G. Okay, see here, what is the difference between number C and G? See here the whole bracket is given. That means minus 3 you have to multiply how many times? 3 times. We are multiplying minus 3 times. Okay, but here there is no bracket. Okay, that means we have to multiply only 4, not minus 4. Meaning of this bracket means what? Whole minus 3. You have to multiply whole minus 3 times. But here the power 4 is upon what? 4. This is above 4 only, not above minus 4, because bracket is not written. So we have to write like this, minus, we have to multiply 4 how many times? 4 times. So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Okay. So see here, this is 16, this is 16, and 16 is 256. So the final answer will be minus 256. So why we are not writing minus? I already told you. See, minus we are not writing 4 times because whole bracket is not given. Whenever whole bracket is given, that means whole minus 3 you have to multiply 3 times, whole minus 4 you have to multiply 4 times. But here whole bracket means that bracket is not given. That's why we have to multiply only 4. Okay, not minus 4. So the next question is question number 3. This question you have to do in book. Okay, so I am doing number C. See what is given. 2 to the power 6 is given. You have to write the base first. So what is the base here? It is 2. Exponent will be what? 6. Okay. Next you have to write the expanded form. You have to expand. That means 2 should be multiplied how many times? 6 times with itself. Okay. So this is 2 to the power 6 in expanded form. So when we multiply it, we will get what? 64. Okay. So the answer is what? 64. The value is 64. Next come to question number 4. Here we have to find the following. So I am doing only one question from this. You can do it by yourself also. This is very simple. The number is in fraction. Okay. This is in P by Q form. Already we know. Okay. So here what we have to do? Minus 2 by 5 we have to multiply 5 times. So I am expanding it. Okay, this is the expanded form of minus 2 by 5. Now see what we have to do. Only one minus sign is there. So minus sign we have to write in numerator. We can also write in denominator, but only one sign is there. Only one symbol is there. So this symbol we have to write in numerator, because already we know that rational number in standard form you have to represent the negative symbol in the numerator. Okay. So here we are writing it in only in the numerator. Or if you want to write in the denominator, you can also write in the denominator, but don't write in numerator again. Okay. You have to write either it in numerator or in denominator. Next, when you finally get the value, in that value you have to write the symbol in the numerator only. Because this is a rational number, this is a number in P by Q form. So already we know that we have to write the negative number in the numerator only. Okay, not in the denominator. Because numerator, before the numerator, negative symbol is present, and that is the standard form of rational number. Okay, so minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Okay, this is how many times? 5 times. So this will be 32, and again 5 is multiplied 5 times. So this is 3125. Next is question number 5. Here you have to convert the given number into power notation. Okay. So how to convert it? See, if there is any number given and if we don't know how to write in power form, so what we can do? We can find the prime factorization. Okay. By using prime factorization method, we can break it. Okay. Then we can express it into power form. Okay. Power notation. So see, number C is minus 27 by 125. So by doing prime factorization, we get 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. There are 3 number of 3's. As minus symbol is also present, so we will include the minus symbol inside the bracket. Okay. Because 3 is multiplied how many times? 3 times. That means after multiplying this number also, we will again get what? Minus symbol. So we can again write it like this: minus 3 by 5 into minus 3 by 5 into minus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5, see how many times it is multiplied? 3 times. So we can write minus 3 by 5 whole to the power 3. Similarly, when this question number K 441, when you do prime factorization, you will see that this number is first factorized using 3. Okay, because this number is divisible by 3 first, not divisible by 2. So when we divide it by 3, you will get again a number which is also divisible by 3. So similarly, you will get the prime factorization as 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Okay. So that means we can write in exponent form as 3 to the power 2, that is 3 squared, into 7 to the power 2, that is 7 square. Okay. L number C, minus 169, and 169 is a square of 13. That means when we multiply 13 2 times, then we will get 169. So see, 13 into 13 will be 169. Okay. So 13 is multiplied 2 number of times, 2 times, that is an even number. 2 is in what? Even number. But see, the answer, the value is what? Minus 169. So already we know, suppose if we place minus symbol here, what will happen? minus 13 square, that means minus 13 into minus 13 will be a positive number. Okay. But we want a negative number, that is minus 169. That means we cannot put the negative sign here. So where we have to put? We have to put outside the numbers. Okay. So like that we have to write like this. Okay. Minus 13 into 13. So by like this way we can write minus 13 to the power 2. Similar question we have done previously also. I think in question number 2. Okay. We have already done it. The power notation was given and we have to find the value. Okay. This is the reverse form of that question. Okay. So like this way you can do the rest of the question. So please try to do it. I am doing this, especially this exercise. I have explained all the concept, all the basic concept, because this is totally new chapter to you. That's why I am going very slowly. Okay. So please try to practice. Okay. And if you have any difficulty you can ask me. Okay. Thank you then.